Hey guys! Today I'm going to show you how to use ready-made elements in your Figma project. Let's start by creating a frame to place the element in. For example, we'll add a drop-down menu to our project. Go to Search and type Drop-down Figma Template. Let's choose the first result and click Open in Figma. Here's the drop-down. Simply select it and copy it. Then go back to your project and paste it. Now we can move it around and place it where we want. To test how it looks, click Present. And as you can see, you can now use the drop-down menu and select elements interactively. Let's try adding another component. Search for Table Figma Template. Again, you'll find plenty of choices. Let's go with the first one. Click Open in Figma. Go to the Table page and pick the one you like. Now copy the table, go back to your project, and paste it in. Let's adjust the frame size a bit to fit the new element. Now hit Present. And there you go. Your drop-down and table are both in the project. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel for more quick Figma tips.